No, hands. Oops. Damn, both of us went out.
Is it okay?
ये अभी भी रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं बंद कर In today's episode of Support F&B series, we are at Sheraton, Gachibowli. Sheraton is the iconic property in the financial district of Hyderabad. Today, let's talk to them and understand more about Marriott on Wheels, the offering they are giving during the post-lockdown. Let's go and talk to them. Hi Vikas, how are you doing?
Good, Sankalp. How are you doing? Thank you for coming
Fantastic.
over.
Thank you so much for having me here. So quickly, Vikas, I would like to know, last 5 months have been very tough for the F&B industry.
Yeah.
And I would like to know from your end, what are the initiatives which you have taken during this time, and also the kind of motivation which you gave to your staff.
Yeah, I think the biggest challenge was food and beverage industry kind of coming to a complete halt.
Yeah.
You know, everybody went inside their houses. There was a complete shell. Everybody was scared of coming out. Nobody really wanted to venture food from outside, or even step out for that matter. We, for that matter, from the very beginning of lockdown, thought food delivery to home as a great opportunity. And we started delivering food to close by societies and offices when initially the lockdown started. But we never thought that the lockdown will go on for so long, and this will become such a big opportunity for us. And I think Marriott as a company took over this as a big initiative, and we launched something called as Marriott on Wheels. In fact, took a completely different perspective to Marriott on Wheels, and started working on food delivery. We never thought as a 5-star hotel that we will really tie up with Swiggy, Zomato, or all the delivery apps.
Yeah, that's really shocking.
But today we are there everywhere, and I think it's a new model, and as everybody says, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going, and we have really innovated ourselves and gone to a different level in terms of reaching out to our guests. People who really want to savor our food. We were always famous for our food. Our Zega, our Indian food was always popular among the locals, and I thought it was our duty more so to make sure that food reaches everybody's home. And I think we have done considerably well. We can always ask for more. I would always ask for more and more business coming in, but I think I'm pretty happy with what we have achieved till now.
Wonderful. So you have wonderfully adapted with the current situations and evolved in terms of offering more, F&B services out of the property.
Sure. I think one thing which became very critical during this time was to create confidence among our guests in terms of hygiene, in terms of cleanliness, in terms of our team's health, because I think our team's health really transpires into what kind of food we prepare and how we are able to give it to our guests. We really went all out in terms of taking care of the team and the procedures which we were following to make food. As Marriott, there was a campaign called Commitment to Clean, which is a global campaign. We have set standards for food delivery. We have set standards for food production. We have set standards for food receiving. We have a program called as Elevated Receiving, in which we really went out to our suppliers and understood as to what they are doing in response to the pandemic. So we kind of work through the whole food chain of how food comes to us and how is it delivered to our guests, and kind of worked with that. The other part which was very critical, of course, was how do we keep ourselves as vacuum tight as possible with this pandemic and not let it come in. What we did during this whole lockdown was that all the guys who were working with us, all the team members who were working with us, were actually staying in-house. So nobody went out, nobody came in, and that really helped us in protecting each and every of our employee members. There were team members who were not working that time, they were at home, but that was okay with us. They still got their salaries, they still got the benefits, but at the same time, people who were working with us, they were not allowed to go out. And that really helped in containing the pandemic to a large extent. So every order which comes directly to us or which comes on the website of Marriott on Wheels directly to us, we give a share of that to feed those kids in that Shishu Mangal. And I think it was the least we could do to give back to community.
Excellent. That's a great initiative, Mr. Vikas, and hope you continue your good work, and would like to see you very soon.
Thank you, Sankalp, and thank you for making our time to come out here. Thank you.
Hi, Asad.
Hi, Sankalp. Oh, it's the new normal. Namaste. How are you doing, Sankalp? I'm doing very well, very well.
So today, let me introduce to you guys. Asad is the F&B director with the Sheraton, and I wanted to know more from him what Marriott on Wheels is all about, and what are your offerings onto it?
Very well. So, Marriott on Wheels, Sankalp, is an initiative which was launched by Marriott ever since this lockdown started. And it has become such an important and a very integral part of F&B operations. At our hotel, Marriott on Wheels contributes about 1/4 of F&B business.
Wow, that's
a
good number.
Yes, and I expect this to grow up to about 30-35% moving forward with the way the restaurants and the banqueting is shaping up. And we've also tied up with food aggregators like Zomato and Swiggy to boost our business, and I expect them to actually perform very well moving forward and contribute about 40-45% of the total delivery revenue.
Okay, so you also do takeaways from here?
Yes, so the option of takeaway and delivery, both options exist. There are guests, when the lockdown exists, the people who were around us, they were very comfortable coming to the hotel and taking as takeaway options. And post the lockdown opened, we were very proactive enough to deliver it to all guest areas, be it a 10-kilometer radius or beyond 10-kilometer radius as well.
Wow, fantastic.
So we in fact cover major part of Hyderabad now, even up to Jubilee Hills, Banjara Hills. We're quite comfortable delivering until that side as well.
Excellent. So you're talking about the process of Marriott on Wheels.
So in terms of our offerings, we started with an a la carte menu which offers global cuisine at your doorstep. And this whole concept basically is all about bringing food to the comfort of their own home. After the launch of the global food menu, we also have theme menus like dim sum brunches, which basically caters Asian meal. We have things like a chaat brunch, which typically covers a street food, an array of street food. Mm-hmm. Then we have a Dawat-e-Hyderabad menu, which we launched during the Ramzan period, if I remember correctly. And it did well. We had options of mutton biryani, chicken biryani, korma, and halim coming at your doorstep. During the month of Ramzan, we actually don't step out. And it did really well during this period. In the last month, we came up with new menus like the Northern Feast and a pizzeria menu. Our pizzeria menu is actually doing very well. Mm-hmm. It has about options of about 20 pizzas, between about 10 vegetarian and 10 non-vegetarian. And my personal favorite is a bolognese, and you must try that as well.
Namaste. Welcome to Jeddah.
Thank you.
Come. We'll take this table?
Yes.
This is good?
Perfect.
Please.
Asad, as we were discussing earlier about the Marriott on Wheels concept, can you run me through the entire process of ordering from the mobile phone, how I place order, to how it is to the delivery part?
So when this concept was launched, Marriott developed a specially curated website called marriottonwheels.com. Once you access that website, you can choose from the list of participating hotels filter the city, filter the hotel, so you reach Sheraton Hyderabad. On Sheraton Hyderabad, the moment you press that link, it takes you to your WhatsApp chat account, which connects you with the WhatsApp chat account followed in the hotel. And then it's purely WhatsApp chat. So place an order. The moment you say hi or you want to place an order, there's an automated message which lands in your chat box.
So it's an automated or it's a bot operated?
As in, it's a predefined message which has been fed into the system. So the moment a guest connects with our WhatsApp chat, says hi or wishes to place an order, the automated message reaches your chat box with a global a la carte menu. And then furthermore in the chat, the other options of the menus are also sent to you as an attachment. And then you can choose from the menu, place an order. After you place an order, the person will confirm your date and time and will confirm the address where the order needs to be delivered to.
Okay.
Followed by a QR code, which is a part of the contactless dining menu experience. And once you have the QR code, you can make an advance payment or pay on the day of the order. Now, once the entire capturing in WhatsApp is finished, the person uses our the point of sale system to place the order. The KOT is generated in the kitchen. The order is captured by the chef, and then the preparation starts.
Excellent. So it's completely seamless.
It's completely seamless, and then obviously, let's not forget, it's comfort dining in your respective homes. All our produce is sourced from a trusted partner and undergoes an extensive sanitation process to prevent any sort of contamination. Fresh produce is inspected by our hygiene manager at all times. The vendor vehicle is thoroughly sanitized before entering the premises. Crates are left in a designated zone in the receiving area for wash using 50 ppm chlorine, post which the produce is taken to the kitchen area in a trolley. As recommended by our hygiene partner Diversey, all veggies are soaked in 30 liters of water with 2 Suma tablets dissolved in it. Suma Tab D4 tablet is a very effective pill for disinfection of all food and non-food surfaces. Once this process is completed, the vegetables are segregated and dispatched to the respective kitchens for appropriate storage and further use.
That was an amazing meal, as always, at the Zega, Sheraton, Gachibowli. I hope you all enjoyed watching this episode. Please like, subscribe and comment. Until next time, have a wonderful time and stay safe. Bye-bye.